Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. Okay, so students, how are you all? Fine? Good. So students, I am going to ask you something. Are you ready to answer it? Good. Now tell me students, at what time do you wake up in the morning? Yes? At what time do you wake up in the morning? Okay, do you wake up at 6 o'clock or 7? Fine. Okay, when our school was there, जब आप स्कूल में आते थे तब आप स्कूल में कितने बजे आते थे? When do you used to come to school? At what time? Yes, you used to come about 8 o'clock. Yes, the students? Yes. Okay. Then, when do you have your breakfast now? Okay. Now we are at home ना? So tell me, when do you have your breakfast? आप अपना breakfast कितने बजे करते हो? Near about 9 or 10? Very good students. Okay. Then afterwards, what do you do? Yes, you have your online classes. Yes, na students? At what time? Yes, you have your online class at 10 o'clock. Then 10 to 11 you will have your online class. Very good. Then afterwards, when do you have your lunch? दोपहर का खाना कब खाते हो? Near about 1 to 2? Good. Very good. Then what do you do? Yes, in the evening. Will you go to play? Yes. By what time? 5 to 6? Good. Okay. Then what do you do? After coming back home? Yes. You have your dinner or you watch TV for some time? Yes ना? Then at what time do you have your dinner? रात का खाना कब खाते हो? 8 o'clock? Very nice. Good time. Okay. 8 o'clock. Then when you go to your bed? सोने कब जाते हो? 9 to 10? Fine. Very good. So students, see, you wake up by 6 to 7. When our school was there, you used to come to school by 8 o'clock. But now the school is not there. So it's okay. Then you have your breakfast by 9 o'clock or by 10 o'clock. Then you have your online class from 10 to 11. Okay, and lunch you will have by 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Then you will go for playing in the evening. Okay, and you will have your dinner at 8 o'clock and you will go to sleep by 9 or 10. Okay, in this all routine, what is common? Means what do you do? Yes, इसमें कॉमन क्या है? इसमें सब आपने क्या देखा है? रूटीन में क्या देखा है? सब आप क्या करते हो? टाइम पे करते हो. क्या करते हो? टाइम पे करते हो. सुबह 9 बजे उठते हो क्या? डू यू वेक अप एट 9 o'clock? इज इट गुड? नो. दोपहर का खाना आप शाम में खाते हो का? नहीं. दोपहर का खाना हम दोपहर में ही खाते हैं ना. डू यू हैव योर लंच इन द इवनिंग? No. Okay. Do you sleep late at night? By 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock? No. So everything we do on time. Okay. Everything we do on time. Okay. So students, today we are going to learn new chapter, that is chapter number 5, time. What? Chapter number 5, time. Okay, so students, tell me what is there in my hand? What is there? Yes, it's a clock. What it is? Clock. At your home, clock is there or not? आपके घर में भी है ना क्लॉक, बड़ा वाला? हाँ. हम क्या करते हैं? हर बार कुछ ना कुछ काम करते वक्त टाइम देखते हैं कितने बजे हैं और फिर उसके हिसाब से हम काम करते हैं. Then whatever it may be. Okay. Even wake up, breakfast, lunch, studies, everything we do on the time. We follow the time. Okay, and it's good to follow the time. So here you can see a clock. Okay, here you can see a clock. So students, today we are going to see more or learn more things about the clock. Okay, so everyone take out your saffron textbook. Okay, so the new chapter is clock, sorry, time. Yes. So you can see this page. Can you see this page? Okay, chapter 5, T-I-M-E, time. Time याने वक्त, समय, वेळ. Okay, now first we will do with warm up. Color the boxes that have words related to day in yellow. Color the boxes that have words related to night in blue. Okay students, now can you see there some words are given. Okay, they have given some words. Now these words, when do you do or when do you see, found, that you have to see. Okay, if you find these words in day, if you do this in day, then you have to color in yellow color. Okay, related to day in yellow. And if you do this words or if you found these words in at night, then you have to color in blue. Okay, got it everyone? So one by one we will do. Lunch. Lunch यानी कब का खाना? दोपहर का खाना. Okay, so this lunch we will have at day time. दोपहर यानी day ही होता है ना? So this you will color in yellow. Which one? Yellow. Now I can't show this yellow color over here. So what I will do? I will write here Y. Okay, you also write like this Y. Afterwards you can color it. Okay, so this lunch you have to color in yellow color. Okay, do it right there above, just Y. Next, O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. Okay, students, when do you see owl? Owl हमें कैसे कब दिखता है? जो वो ऐसे पेड़ में उल्टा लटकता है, हाँ, कब दिखता है वो owl? Yes, sorry, owl is not that. Bat is, yes, it bat जो है वो उल्टा लटकता है, owl नहीं लटकता है. तो owl कब दिखता है हमें? Yes, कब दिखता है? रात में ही दिखता है. तो वो हो गया blue. So write here blue. That is B. So that afterwards you can color in blue. Okay, write there B. Come on, write it. Write it fast. Okay, sorry for this students, owl. Okay, it we will found this in at night only. और bat जो होता है वो उल्टा लटकता है. Okay, next, S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Sun, when you will see? At night? No, then yes, day. So you will write here Y, yellow. Okay, write it. Come on, write it fast. Finish. Next, M-O-O-N, moon. What? M-O-O-N, moon. Now, when do you see this moon? Moon कब दिखता है हमें? कब दिखता है? Yes, you can see the moon at night. Okay, so blue. Got it? Write there B. Write there blue. Okay, next. Now school. When do you go to school? At daytime or night time? Daytime. हम जब स्कूल जाते हैं तब क्या होता है? दिन होता है या रात होता है? रात होती है, दिन होता है. Okay, so this will be yellow. Okay, so lunch yellow क्योंकि डे टाइम में होता है. Owl blue because it is seen in night time. Sun yellow because we see at daytime. Moon blue because we see at night time. School it is yellow because we go at daytime. Okay, come on, write that. Finish. Next, number the story in sequence. Now students, here they have given the pictures. Okay, and these pictures, it is one story actually. What it is? One story. So the story's picture they have given, you have to write that in correct sequence. You have to give the correct sequence. Okay, ये एक स्टोरी है, उसके पिक्चर्स उन्होंने उल्टे पुल्टे दिए हैं, तो हमें क्या करना है? वो पिक्चर्स देख के करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में हमें नंबर लिखना है. ओके, नाउ हियर यू कैन सी अ गर्ल इज डूइंग अ ब्रेकफास्ट. Fine. Here you can see a girl is waiting for bus or van for going to school. The girl is sleeping. The girl has woke up. Girl is studying, playing with the friends. Okay, can you have a related story? आपको कुछ ऐसे स्टोरी दिख रही है क्या? यहाँ पे कुछ स्टोरी समझ में आ रही है क्या? Yes, it is story of a girl from a day to night. ये एक लड़की की स्टोरी है जो वो सुबह से लेके रात में सोने तक जो भी काम करती है उसका वो एक स्टोरी बनाया है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट टेल मी विच विल कम फर्स्ट. Yes, we first wake up. So the girls wake upping picture will come first. So write here 1. Write there 1. Finish. Next. Now after wake upping, directly you will go to school? No. You will wait for bus? No. You will go for play? No. Sleep again? No. Then what do you do? Yes, you will get ready and have your breakfast. So this will be 2. Okay, right. Write it fast. Finish. Next. Now she has got ready and she is wearing school uniform and she has done breakfast also. Now what you will do? Suppose now you have got ready to school, you done your breakfast, then what you will do? Yes, you will wait for bus or van to get in, okay, to reach to school. So this will be 3rd. Write the 3. Come on, write the 3. Okay, then when you will go to school, what do? You will sleep? You will play? No, you will do studies. Okay, you will play also, but firstly you will do the studies. So this will be 4. Fine. Next, then you will come back home. You will play in the evening. So this will be 5th. Then you will have your dinner, night dinner, and then you will go to sleep again. Yes. So this will be last. Write the numbers. Write the numbers. Finish. See, the girl wakes up. She will get ready. She will have breakfast. Then she is waiting for school, for bus or van to reach to school. Then she reached to school. She has reached school. She is doing studies. After coming home in the evening, she goes to play with her friends. And at night she goes to sleep on time by 9 o'clock. Okay, so this is the sequence and this is the story. Okay, so all girls routine they have told in this story. Now what are the things that we are going to learn ahead? Clock, minute hand and hour hand. क्लॉक जो होता है ना, बड़ा बड़ा क्लॉक हम घर पे लगाते हैं, उसमें मिनट हैंड क्या है, आवर हैंड क्या है, वो हम सीखने वाले हैं. रीडिंग आवर हैंड टाइम, हाउ टू रीड द टाइम, टाइम कैसे बताते हैं, कैसे पहचानना है, वो भी हम सीखेंगे. डेज ऑफ द वीक एंड मंथ्स इन अ ईयर. Okay, these 4 things we are going to learn in this chapter. Fine. Turn the page. Page number 100. My way ahead. The day in Revati's life. Okay, how the day she spends from getting means from waking up till night, how she spends the day that they have given. Okay, first in the first picture you can see there Revati wakes up early in the morning. Okay, how she starts her day? Yes, by waking up early in the morning she starts her day. Next, what do you see in the picture? Good. Revati goes to school. Yes, then she gets ready and she goes to school. Then in the next picture you can see there Revati comes back from the school in the afternoon. She comes back from the school in the afternoon. वो दोपहर में स्कूल से घर आती है. Next, in the next picture you can see Revati goes out to play in the evening. After resting a while, in evening she goes out to play with friends. Okay, then in the next picture you can see Revati eats her dinner in night. She takes her dinner in night, that too on time. Okay, not too late, not too early. And at the last you can see Revati sleeps on time. Okay, Revati she sleeps on time. So this is full whole day routine of Revati. आपका भी ऐसी ही रूटीन होता है ना? सुबह उठते हो, फ्रेश होते हो, जब स्कूल चालू थी तब स्कूल में आते हो, है ना? फिर दोपहर में घर जाके थोड़ा खाना खाते हो, फिर दोपहर में थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई करते हो या फिर नींद लेते हो, फिर इवनिंग में खेलने जाते हो, फिर आने के बाद थोड़ा टीवी देखते हो या फिर ऐसे ही पढ़ाई करते बैठते हो, फिर खाना खाते हो रात में और फिर जल्दी से सो जाते हो, है ना? सो दिस इज द रूटीन. फाइन. नाउ डू यू सी हाउ Revati does all her activities in a day? Have you seen how she is doing all the activities on time? Yes, a day has morning, afternoon, evening, at night. ये जो दिन होता है ना, ये जो दिन होता है वो किस में डिवाइड होता है? एक मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट में, एक आफ्टरनून शिफ्ट में, एक इवनिंग और एक नाइट। मॉर्निंग मीन्स सुबह सुबह, ओके, 12 बजे तक, आफ्टरनून 12 बजे के बाद, इवनिंग नियर अबाउट 5 to 6 आफ्टर, 5 या 6 बजे के बाद इवनिंग, नाइट अंधेरा गिरने के बाद नाइट हो जाता है ना, 7 to from 7 o'clock. Okay, so a whole day is divided. It has a day like morning, say morning, afternoon, evening, night. Okay, so these are the a day has divided. Next, however, we use time to tell us exactly when an activity take place. हम टाइम क्यों बताते हैं? हाँ, हम टाइम क्यों बताते हैं? Yes, क्योंकि हमारी एक्टिविटी कब स्टार्ट हुई या फिर हमने कब किया, इसलिए हम टाइम बताते हैं. इफ एनीबडी आस्क्स यू एट व्हाट टाइम डू यू वेक अप, आप कब सुबह उठते हो, तो आप क्या बताते हो? मैं सुबह सुबह उठ जाती हूँ, ऐसे बोलते हो क्या? नहीं, मैं 6 बजे उठती हूँ, मैं 7 बजे उठती हूँ. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या बताया? टाइम बताया है ना. तो हमारी जो कुछ भी एक्टिविटी है, हम जो कुछ भी करते हैं दिन में, तो हमें टाइम बता के ही बोलते हैं. ओके. और किसी ने पूछा आपको दोपहर का खाना हुआ, तो आप बोलते हो हाँ, है ना, बोलते हो कि नहीं? तो उन्होंने पूछा कब खाया, तो आप क्या बोलते हो? हाँ, मैंने 1 या फिर 2 बजे खा लिया. तो यहाँ पे भी आप टाइम बोलते हो. Yes or no? Even your teacher tells you something to do the homework, है ना. अगर आपके टीचर ने आपको होमवर्क बोला है करने के लिए, तो वो भी टीचर क्या बोलती है? टाइम पे करो, टाइम पे सेंड करो, बोलते हैं ना. ओके. सो एवरीवेयर वी फॉलो द टाइम, एंड टाइम इज वेरी प्रीशियस स्टूडेंट्स. रिमेंबर दिस. ओके. वी शुड नेवर वेस्ट आवर टाइम. टाइम इज मनी, टाइम इज वेरी प्रीशियस. हमें हमारा वक्त ऐसे वेस्ट नहीं जाने देना चाहिए. हमें जो टाइम मिलता है उसका हमें ऐसे यूज़फुल कुछ तो करना चाहिए कि हम एंगेज रह सके, कुछ तो फ़ायदा हो सके. ऐसे हमें टाइम अपना यूज करना है. ओके. फाइन. सो टाइम इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. सो यू हैव टू take care of it. Fine. Now the next is clock. Okay, the next is clock. In the starting I have shown you what is clock. Okay, one more time I will draw here. It is round, it has how many numbers, students? Can anybody tell? Yes, it has 12 numbers. How many? 12 numbers. Clock में कितने numbers होते हैं? 12 numbers होते हैं. Okay. And there is something which go on round, round, round. ऐसे कुछ तो जो चीज़ें होते हैं जो ऐसे घूमती रहती है ना. आर दे लाइक दिस? ऐसे होते हैं क्या? हाँ. दीज आर कॉल्ड हैंड्स ऑफ द क्लॉक. व्हाट दे आर कॉल्ड? हैंड्स ऑफ द क्लॉक. ओके. इन डिटेल वी विल सी इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके. So students, just now I have shown you on the board. So this is also a clock, and it has how many numbers? 12 numbers. How many? 12 numbers. And these are the hands of the clock. Okay. So students, in our this period we have learned, we have given the means I have given you the introduction of the time. What is it? And Revati's day life means her whole routine, okay, and everything we do on the time. So we should follow the time, we should never waste our time. About the clock we will see in detail in our next period. Okay, thank you everyone, bye.